Hey designers, let's quickly create this poster in Adobe Illustrator. Start by creating a new document and then use the pen tool to draw a slanted line as shown. Create a shape with the pen tool and give it a green color. Next, duplicate this layer by pressing Alt and dragging it upward. Then, right-click on the duplicated layer, go to Transform, and select Reflect. Choose Horizontal to mirror the shape. Move the reflected shape downward to enlarge it. Apply a yellowish color to this shape and remove the green stroke. Send this yellow shape to the back by right-clicking, selecting Arrange, and then Send to Back. Also, remove the stroke from the green shape. Now, let's place the sandwich image. Go to File, Place, and select the sandwich image. Position it on the poster as desired. Alright, let's scale up the sandwich image and adjust its position accordingly. Place it where you'd like it to be on the poster. Now, let's make the green shape a bit bigger, like this. Start by selecting the text tool and type your first text. Choose the Babos font for both texts. Scale them up and give them a white color. Next, use the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Color it with the green color you've chosen. Duplicate it for the second text. Bring the text layers forward by right-clicking, selecting Arrange, and then bring to front. Adjust the text inside each rectangle. Now, select the upper rectangle and rotate it as desired. Repeat this step for the lower rectangle and the text associated with it. Finally, use the text tool again to write the additional text. Use a white color, center align the paragraph, and adjust the position as needed. To add a grainy effect to the shapes, go to Effect, Texture, Grain. Adjust the amount of grain to your liking and press OK. Now take the pen tool to draw a small line on top of the sandwich. Give it a white stroke and adjust the stroke size. Use the width tool to make one end of the line thicker and rounded. Duplicate this line twice and rotate them as needed. Select all the lines and duplicate them again. Right-click, go to Transform, and select Reflect. Move the duplicated lines downward and rotate them accordingly. Now, adjust the positions of all the lines. Make them thinner if needed by selecting all of them and adjusting their thickness. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, the poster is complete. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it, leaving a comment, and subscribing to Ace Designs.